Thanks to a series of innovations from Advanced Screen Systems, you can now offer your customers the chance to upgrade from a standard sliding screen door to an award-winning, high-performance patio security screen door that delivers a host of benefits. The patent-pending system installs quickly and simply on the factory floor or in the field, slides in the patio door's existing top and bottom screen door tracks, secures the opening with a multi-point locking system and main patio door interlock, delivers lifetime durability, standing up to paws, claws, and clumsy neighbors to do away with rescreening altogether. The high-performance, patent-protected MeshTech Advanced Screen System makes it all possible. A high-tensile strength woven stainless steel mesh, MeshTech delivers unparalleled performance, resisting common forced entry methods, an unobstructed view with maximum ventilation, insect control and UV reduction, unsurpassed durability, standing up to household pets large and small. The MeshTech screen system pairs with a multi-point lock and main patio door interlock to secure the most vulnerable opening in any home, passing stringent international standards for impact, shear, and pry resistance. The safety and security of the family home is a significant driver in consumer purchase decisions today. So too is the desire to enjoy healthy cross-ventilation and energy savings without compromising that security. Now with the award-winning, patent-pending Advanced Screen Systems Patio Security Screen Door and the revolutionary performance of genuine MeshTech screen, you can take full advantage of the opportunity this creates, delivering incremental revenue, increased margin, and incredible performance.